Alright, I'm back at my girlfriend's farm today. I'm going to do a few things here, but I want to show you some of the progress from last time I was here. So that's the chicken run we built, or put up, but the chickens have done a pretty good job here. Scratching up, hopefully they can get a bit more done. They're starting to get deep. It's a bit colder today. Yesterday it was like 22 degrees, and now it's like 8 or 9 maybe. There we go, they're all in there doing the jobs. Good job, chickens. So you got the water lines all covered up here now, so there's no big hole here. We are going to go move the greenhouse that's in the area where we're going to put the evaporators for make maple syrup. Looks a lot different here now with all the trees down, or I mean leaves down.
John!
Oh, what do you have, a kitten? Oh, and Bean had a baby kitties. Here, Griffin, let's show us your kittens. Look at Look at them. Oh, they're so cute. They're probably 2 weeks old now, I think, right?
Yeah, about 2 months.
Yeah?
No, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. And here's little Taco. Hi, Taco. You want to be on YouTube? There you go. You want to be a famous YouTube kitty. And we have a little baby. Oh, look at them. They're so cute.
Yeah, the babies are famous too.
Yeah? Look how cute they are. Meow.
Well, then let's bring them up to the house.
So cute.
Soon.
I wouldn't take them too far from Mama.
No, we take them up to the house.
Oh, really?
For a long time, and they don't care. They like playing with us.
Nice.
Well, then let's go and
Okay.
bring them up to the world.
So those are cute little kittens. I think there's 8 of them. So this is where we're putting the evaporators. We need to get the greenhouse here out today. We're just gonna lift it up, put it out somewhere else, and then we need to level this off here so it's level. And then once we get the greenhouses here, we're not greenhouses, sorry. The evaporators, we're gonna get the new one I bought next weekend. I brought my other one up last week or a few weeks ago, so we gotta get that set up so it'll be ready to go. So I'll show you the process of us getting that all ready once we get the tractor running. So we've got the shed leveled. We're going to get my old evaporator, lift it on instead of wheeling it over. It's too heavy for me. So we're just going to use tines here, stick it under anyways, and see how she works. Come on, farm girl. And then, yeah, there you go, a little. Okay, lift, come up, Blake. And then, go back. You want to center it up more. Just gotta try to center up the tines there so it's not lopsided. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're just hooking the chain up to it so it hopefully holds a little better. That might be okay, just...
It won't, it'll straight off though. Because it just pops off the top.
Well, when you put the tines, try putting the tines back a bit. Yeah, we just wrap it around like this once or twice. And then you should be good like this.
Just tie it. Yeah, you can tie it. It'll stay if you tie like the. You actually tie the thing, and it should.
Yeah, that's usually what I do. I'm doing the trees at my place. And
It stays.
I tip the fork back.
Yeah.
Or you'll probably have to raise the bucket first, then tip it back.
I'm not sure how much tilt it has to tip it back, so you still might have to help guide a little.
Just go straight up. That's fine, just go straight up. Yeah, keep going. No, but like the fork. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, go up. Perfect. Yeah. Just go slow. There we go. So much easier than rolling it by hand. I think the tractor tires need a bit more air. They're kind of low as well. And there's no power steering, so it's a little more trickier. There's Ainsley and Taco. Hi Taco. Hi Ainsley. You hang out with Taco? Good job. So once she brings it over, so we got it fairly flat. We're gonna put mine in the back here. Once I get my new one next weekend, we're gonna have to figure out how to set it all up in here. Try to level it out as much as possible. Probably needs a bit more, but that's okay. This used to be where the tractor parked, but tractor's gonna have a new home. Yeah, you good? Right. Yeah. Go up. Okay, so we're picking up my evaporator today. Here are the pans in here. That's 2 of the pans. 1 pan. Got the float box here, the other pan, and then we're gonna pick this beast up and put it on the car trailer. So we'll strap her up and take her up to the farm. Okay, so we're gonna put some straps around it, and it shifted quite a bit while we were driving. All the stones moved. I'm gonna have to refix these up too because they all bounce out of place. All the fire brick. Okay, we're hoping this tractor has enough power for it. I have to take some fire bricks out, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so the tractor was not strong enough to lift off the evaporator with all the fire bricks. So the neighbor, Rick, is going to come over with his bucket truck and use that. And we're going to pull that off in a minute here. Yeah, so I think we were going to try to center it up maybe in the center because it's got draw off on both sides of it. Right. So try to get...
So those concrete pads are part of it?
Yeah, they, when they...
Full base.
Yeah, it's a full base, so this whole thing's going to go right...
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. Yeah, so she should roll in there on that.
Got it? Okay.
together.
Okay, we got the slings all hooked up now. And we're gonna just get the hook down and pick her up, hopefully.
Which end do you want in?
The smokestack side in.
Be able to spin on the rope there. You might have to turn it.
Okay, sounds good.
Even of a new toy now.
I was just gonna say that. Josh's toy list.
He just bought a backhoe, so
Let's upgrade to a boom truck.
yeah.
Yeah, keep yeah, turn that over your hook.
The hook the other way. But over so you go up through.
Yeah,
Yeah, like
That hook.
yeah, there you go. Yeah. You want a new toy, Josh? You gotta learn how to use it properly first.
well, he's good at wrecking hydraulic.
That wasn't my fault entirely.
You're running it, so it's all on you. It is. I don't know if my rope's gonna take it.
Oh, okay, start springing, Rick. Drop maybe another few inches. Okay, there you go, you're clear. Yeah. Okay, bring it this way a bit. Yeah. Okay, you can lower it a little bit. Down. Okay. And then we'll bring it in. Okay, keep going. Alright. See if we can we try to bring it in now? We'll roll it up. It's on the log, so we'll roll it in.
I don't think we're
Oh yeah, we got 1, 2, another one. We might need the tractor just to give it a little bit of a nudge, I think. Yeah. Okay, let her down.
Yeah, I think it's going wherever it ends up.
I think so, yeah. Okay, so we gotta move the sling forward here. It's just get it weight up here. Yeah, there you go. And we can start bringing her in. Okay, drop it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna have to stay where it is, eh?
Well, that's
Yeah.
it's close enough to the middle.
And I think, yeah, you pull that side out there, Josh. I'll go that way. Oh, it's good. Go the other way.
That one's Josh's, I think, and these are next. Sweet.
Okay, so we got it in. How to get it on the logs here. So we're going to bring the tractor over, push it back farther, and hopefully center it up just a little bit. Thank goodness the neighbor had a boom truck, otherwise it would be sitting on that trailer all winter, I think. Right. That way it's centered up now. As good as it's gonna get. and then we'll just bring her in and push it back, so hopefully it comes back nicely. I'm gonna grab a rake and just try to level it a bit. So we've got a few boards set down on the ground here. Hopefully we can set her on there. We may need to nudge it this way just a bit. I got him to push it that way a bit already, but I think it put back in a bit too much. That's probably good right there, I think. Okay. Should we grab another log maybe and stick it in the back? Zach, Josh, the log. That's true. No, I guess. More. Right.
Deck boarding there, whatever they call it.
How does this look on this way?
The thin one, 3/4 inch.
Oh, it's pretty close.
Yeah, this side. If you favor this side, will be good.
Yeah, what's it looking like back here though? Oh. That's level back here.
Yeah,
So this one corner here.
That corner is low.
Yeah, just a bit. Okay, so we got it fairly level for the most part. It's off by a little bit, but the guys who made this were pretty smart, and they made these bolt systems here. So you just turn the bolt, and I'll raise this back end up and down. Fortunately, these got bent a bit, but I think that's okay because it has to go. Hopefully, it's still going to work. Otherwise, we're going to have to cut the bolts and put new ones in. We'll see how she works. There we go. Now to grab the fan and the fire bricks, finish it off, and that's the new system. Yeah. So exciting. Okay, so I've got the fire brick back in as good as I could figure out. I'm not sure if it's as good as it could be, but this is going to work. I'm going to have to buy some mortar, I think, and I'm going to have to mortar up some of this stuff in here, along the cracks here, and in here. And probably the guys were saying when I picked it up today, probably have to remortar this every year. And then probably down here as well, just to keep the heat in really well. And then I need to get the smokestack. We're probably going to stick the smokestack out the side, do a 90 up the side there, then another 90 up. And we got some tin shed roofing. I have to put a few pieces up here, so when the steam comes off this bad boy, it drips that way and not back down into the wood, because you probably have crap dripping off the roof there. So we'll just make it so it goes down that way, and then we are good to go. And then I'm just gonna have to set mine up here, my old one, quickly. Shouldn't be too hard. I'll probably just turn it around this way, have it this way here, and then have her done with that. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video of me setting up my little new sugar shack. Very exciting. I hope to do at least 450 to 500 liters this year. And with this operation, with this setup in my old one, should be no problem. And as well, we're going to probably be setting a barrel up top as well, so we can drip feed it down to the preheat pan, and then we just leave it overnight and let it go all night long. So when it's really flowing, we don't have to be out here all night losing sleep. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your garden season. Give my channel a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.